adventurous thing in our whole trip was this, a trek to seventh heaven. Rani Jhari viewpoint is a hidden gem which offers breathtaking panoramic views, the lush greenery of Western Ghats and rolling hills. We started our trek and faced many challenges in the start, which made us feel to go back, but something special kept us calling, and we just marched facing all these obstacles. Walking into the lush green forest was scary, but it felt like it was the path for the heaven. Along the way, we took some breaks, not to rest, but to soak in the breathtaking views, especially when we reached higher elevations. Higher elevations means this. We trekked for 2 hours and had covered almost 3 kilometers, but we were still in the halfway and had to cover another half. Despite the difficulties and challenges, the panoramic views of the surrounding landscape kept us going. As we trek, we get to listen to the sounds of nature, including chirping birds, the sounds of the wind, and flowing streams. After 5 hours of challenging trek covering almost 6 kilometers of uneven terrain, we finally reached to the 7th heaven, that is Bandaje Falls. We were rewarded with a spectacular view of the water cascading down the rocky cliffs, surrounded by lush greenery. This side of the waterfall was particularly mesmerizing. Luckily, the flow was in its peak. The trek was worth it as we enjoyed the refreshing spray of the waterfall and peaceful ambience of the area. Trekking from Rani Jhari to Bandaje Falls was an exhilarating journey that showcases the stunning landscape of the Western Ghats. Overall, this trek was not only an adventure but also an opportunity to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of Western Ghats. with stunning vistas and refreshing waterfall as a reward. This trek was a perfect blend of natural beauty, adventure, and serenity, making it a memorable experience in my life.